Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, driver lumbar, front floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel ABS. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.